Well, we thrashing. We thrashing. We've got a weirdness, and I can't figure it out. And Andy's scratching his head. We're not dead. We're just kind of thinking about it. So I got power to the track, and that's getting picked up, and that's getting sent out. So the soundboard is alive. If we were rolling, and my little trigger was hitting over there, you would get the chuff sound like that. And we can blow a whistle once we get our system set up. And if we get into reverse, we're going to back up, we can trigger the bells for backing up. So the soundboard through the track is working perfectly with the sounds we want, and we think with the mechanisms that we want to use it. Now I go back to neutral and I fire up the motor to run the train, right? And it just get a bunch of noise, static coming through, and I'm not sure where that's out from, but then when we try to do our chuffing, it's all just noise. It's muffled. Same with the bell and the horn. I didn't want to let you think I just took a vacation day. We've been working on this. This is my second board that I've assembled, because I had the same problem with the first unit. So I went ahead and assembled board number 5, thinking if I've done something to it to cause this, let's figure it out. But now, as you can see, in static with track power, it's perfect. So we don't know if it's a shielding issue or noise that we have to work on, how to cut down the noise. We're working on it. And I just thought I'd share the progress, because as you can see, that's a big speaker. I have other speakers that are much smaller, so that's not going to be a problem, but I wanted to make sure I heard the right sounds. Yeah, here's a smaller speaker that would probably sound as good and fit in there easily. In any case, we'll chew on it. Tomorrow is another day. I had hoped by Monday night I would have this figured out and ready to go, but now I'm getting a little nervous. I'm not scared, I'm just nervous. Let's see what we can do with this, okay? I'm going to try to isolate some parts, strip them out of the system, and see if that does anything. You know, if we can pinpoint where the noise is coming from, then you can worry about how you go about isolating it or doing something else. But right now we're just not sure. Anyway, oh, I'm tired. We've really been working, and this thing is looking so nice. How nice and compact that is. And the processor is doing what it's supposed to do, except somebody is injecting noise into the system, and I'm thinking it's through the power supply, and I'm thinking it's through the motor control board. I tried to put a diode on the positive side so that I couldn't get feedback, but now I'm wondering if it's not necessarily line voltage, but more like, you know, magnetic signals or something that we might have to get a piece of metal and do some isolation and stuff like that. I'll let you know. You guys take care, hang in there. We are chugging along. Isn't my little road thing nice? I think that's great. Works like a champ. Let's get that soundboard figured out. We are going to be on fire. All right, gang. More later. Don't worry. Tomorrow's another day. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.